Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to manually open Audi A5 roof. First, park level and engage the brake, then disconnect the battery and wear gloves. Locate the manual release access point in the trunk under the trim, clear any cargo, and gather the trim tool and hex wrench. Keep an assistant nearby to steady the roof panel while you operate the release. Move slowly and test movement before fully opening the roof manually. Locate the trunk trim and remove the fasteners to expose the release access. Remove the plastic cover and inspect the release mechanism with a flashlight. Insert the correct hex or square tool into the drive and ensure it seats properly. Keep one hand steadying the roof edge while you turn slowly to avoid sudden movement. Rotate the tool in small increments until the roof begins to move, then continue until it reaches the desired. Begin turning the manual release tool carefully, counting rotations to monitor progress. Stop periodically to let your assistant steady the roof and check alignment of the panels. If resistance increases, reverse slightly and reattempt to avoid damaging gears. Once the roof moves into the service position, inspect seals and drain tubes for clogs. Do not force the mechanism. Mechanical assistance or professional help may be needed if the roof will not move smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.